let's make another drink with 10 ingredients.
Oh, I think it's a piece of cake.
Yeah.
Well,
We can do this just fine.
Yes. we have a lot of fun making drinks.
Right. We made this drink with a lot of effort and hard work and dedication.
Yes.
Welcome to Man Cocktails. We're making a Puka Punch. That's Dan. That's Dan. That's Derek.
Puka Punch.
We're going to make the Puka Punch
We're going to make
today.
a Puka Punch. Or is it a Puka Punch?
Puka Punch.
Puka Punch?
Puka Punch? Puka Punch?
Yeah.
So I just put everything in a glass because the ingredients take up so much space that I can't see how to make it.
You're going to make this thing. All ingredients in cocktail shaker. Here's the breakdown.
You know how to make it.
1 ounce of light rum, 1 ounce of dark rum, 1 ounce of overproof rum. Whoop! What's that? Half ounce of lime juice, orange juice, pineapple juice, passion fruit syrup, honey syrup,
Read the description.
1/4 ounce of grenadine, and a dash of Angostura.
That's a lot of shit.
Yeah.
Oh, we need mint.
We need mint?
Yes, we need a garnish.
Oh. Does it actually
And
say
an
that?
orange slice.
Oh, look at that.
Oh, and a cherry.
We got all, well, cherries upstairs. Fuck that. That's on my other bar.
You left your cherries? I think someone just died upstairs. What just happened?
I don't know.
Dan,
Somebody
Huh?
what's going on up there? His cat is holding me.
Oh my god.
You're in the cat.
I mean, you can take it home if you win the raffle.
You cannot take my cat home.
You guys just have to kiss.
But she is grabbing on. It's like your fingers taste so good.
Don't leave me here.
So,
Salty snacks.
What does this drink embody?
this drink I'm just gonna like summarize a little bit. This drink is a synthesized cocktail recipe that I put through AI to get a common ingredient kick because there's too many variations of these recipes. This is from the Tiki Tea Bar in Los Angeles, 1961 circa by Ray Bowen, a veteran of Don the Beachcomber's Tiki Bar. So think of it this way. People who work with Don Beach create like the epicenter of tiki. They eventually get new jobs, or they get poached, right? So they get. What is she doing?
Do you want some snacks?
She's talking to the cat.
I know.
Sorry.
You can whisper in its ear. It has good hearing. So yeah, these people leave or get poached. Like a bar goes, I want to make tiki drinks like Don Beach. They go and they hire the bartenders. The bartenders don't know the recipes because Don encoded all the recipes, but they have a general sense, or they just invent something and they usually give it a new name, right? Probably how you get the jet pilot versus the zombie. This drink is like an amalgamation of all these fucking things. And you can see tiki drinks always follow the same kind of basic premise. Light rum, dark rum, overproof rum, and a bunch of shit.
Yeah, and a bunch of half ounces.
Right, and a ton of half ounces. Works great if you're making batches of these because you could do, you could do like 1 ounce of all these things. If you did a full ounce,
It's a
right?
good thing we're making it.
You could do 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1,
Good job,
1, 1 half.
guys.
Right? This is this drink, if you want to save yourself time, he doesn't because it's too late. But if you wanted to, you just do 2 servings of this and your life becomes super easy.
Oh, yeah.
Because it's just 2, 2, 2, 1, 1, 1, 1, 1.
Wow, look at that. You could have done that, but
It doesn't.
that's
I mean,
okay.
At the end of the day, it is what it is.
You probably should
You should shake that because it's got a cork on the top.
Yeah.
Unless you already did. So we're using honey syrup for this. You can make your own honey syrup if you want to. I get it from BG Reynolds.
No.
I used to sell it. Honey syrup is honey with a little bit of water in it. He's going to use
What is the passion fruit? We don't use that, do we?
passion fruit.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, we do. Okay. I missed
Dude.
it.
Yeah, it's a half
You
ounce.
can't make a drink without passion fruit. Passion fruit's like the secret sauce. By the way, if you open any of those and they fizz, we have a problem. But this should be okay. Usually I can get a good 8 or 9 years out of one of those.
That's all good.
Because you use them in half ounce increments every couple of years.
But you're going to find a passion fruit super tart. Works good in pieces of 8 is another good cocktail with it. What's another big passion fruit? Oh, the Hurricane. You typically use passion fruit syrup. So if you're looking for making a recipe like this, you're like, fuck, I'm not going to buy all that stuff. You can get orange juice, lime juice, and pineapple juice pretty easily. The hard ones are going to be your passion fruit syrup. Invest in passion fruit syrup and make a bunch of other cocktails like it.
Can you just use like some passion fruit and some simple syrup?
Sure. Have you ever worked with passion fruit before?
No.
A little seedy.
Yeah.
No, I mean like,
But
you know.
this is why like making homemade syrups is a fucking lot of work. Like it's not really worth the time. Like I haven't found it. Peeling fucking almonds, dealing with like falernum might be the easiest of them, but it's like, oh, you're gonna need zests of limes and all. And Just sit there fucking peeling like zests off a lime.
Yeah, that's a lot of work.
Get a glass.
No.
What kind of glass do we need?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You know what?
Well,
Use
well.
that pineapple. Yeah. What about-
Oh, look at that. Yeah.
Yeah, you want to use Cthulhu?
Yeah.
Or the skull of the bones?
This is cool.
Yeah, that might smell like coffee, but that'll be fine. It's Jennifer's coffee mug. It doesn't fit in our new coffee maker, so. More than likely, this drink is brown.
Ah, we didn't take that long to make it.
No, you guys sped right through this.
Yeah, wow.
You're
Making
good.
drinks isn't all that bad, so you should definitely get a, bartender starter kit.
Puka means hole in Hawaiian. Hitting the drinks.
Puka means whole.
Yes, hitting at the drink's potent punch.
Ohana means family.
It is.
It definitely embodies the tiki style.
It does. It hits all the tiki sweet spots. It's really fucking hard to make. It requires extraneous amounts of syrups, and
Here.
it's gonna probably be gross looking. And you got to garnish the
Thanks for
fuck.
participating, man.
What is that? What are you doing?
Don't we garnish with orange or something?
Yeah, but
Orange and mint.
Yeah, but what you're saying that and at the same time you're pulling out this discarded orange husk and you're gonna do something with it. I want to know what.
Something. I don't know what.
Yeah.
Hold on, put it in there. Put it there.
Put it like a ball cap.
There you go. See? It's that.
Dude, that is the fucking Puka Punch if I ever saw one. I don't know how we take a sip of it, but shit, man.
You don't just
That
stare
thing
at
is-
it.
You just stare at it.
Shit, that thing is
Look at
fire.
that. Look at that.
Does it
He's
fit
got
on
a
the
hat
camera?
on and everything. Let me just drop.
Straw me up.
There's another hole in the orange.
Oh.
Well, that's it.
Oh, you're gonna cut it. Yeah, you're gonna cut a hole in orange.
There's a hole in there.
Oh, right there. Yeah.
I just gotta put it in the orange fold.
Yeah.
There we go.
See?
All right.
It all makes sense in the end.
Yeah.
Smells.
I mean, this is a hell of a drink we just made.
Smells minty. Oh, let's drop that.
Don't make that face after you did all that work.
After you did all that.
It'd be a shame.
It sucked. Ah.
That's got your tiki flavor to it.
Oh, it definitely does.
Yeah, yeah.
It's strong. It's got
It's
a slight
strong.
bitter
It's-
tart.
It's stronger than.
It's sweet and tart at the same time. It's got a weird orange smell to it. It
Oh, God. It's good.
this thing needs a little
You got
7-Up.
It needs some lemon lime.
Needs some lemon in there. People make fun of my lemon or my lime because it's yellow. It's just really,
It's lemon.
it's really sweetie. It has all the tiki things going on.
Mm.
It's sweet, tart, sour, and potent all at the same time.
I don't think it's that tart, though.
Not as tart as the Pieces of 8, but it's not untart.
Don't start.
Don't start.
Let's see. It almost has like a Terry's chocolate orange to it. But I don't know if that's because there's an orange.
I think
face
it's
in
the
there.
honey.
Oh, maybe. Terry's chocolate orange. That's not what it is it?
Oh,
What's that orange you like
Yeah,
this?
Terry's chocolate orange. Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
You got it.
Oh, you know what it is? Because there's an ounce of the overproof rum.
Yeah, it's not weak.
Yeah.
Yeah, the other one you
That
have is
definitely
like
comes
overproof.
through.
Yeah, it grabs you
Yeah,
right in the testy.
it does.
It's got a lot.
What's my blood sugar doing?
It's probably fine right now.
Yeah, not bad.
So that thing goes right into your veins.
You've been balancing everything with cucumbers.
This is true.
Yeah, come on. Yeah, see?
Yeah.
Going to
You're
work?
leveled out.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Your car's on the
I made
road.
that.
Yeah, put your car in the road so you,
I made
you
that.
can get out. Your car's in the road. So if you go to your parking spot and like, oh, my car's missing. That's why.
Who goes to work at night?
Yeah, she only works until 7
This
tomorrow.
bean.
That bean.
This bean.
The nurse bean.
Is the girl down here?
Yep.
Yeah.
She's on my lap.
So that, my friends,
Mm.
is a tiki drink. Jet
It's
Pilot.
good.
Jet Pilot or this.
I actually thought it would be like a little bit sweeter with the passion fruit.
I'm telling you, dude.
And
Passion
the
fruit is not as
grenadine,
sweet as you think it is.
I think it's the high proof rum that.
I don't think this is as sweet as you think it is.
Yeah.
It's tart. Stick it in his hole. Yeah.
You're not going to use this in 9 years, so.
Oh, it's pretty good.
It's good.
He's just expecting more sweetness. It's got the honey, it's got the passion fruit, it's got the
It
grenadine.
says syrup.
You think it's sweet?
But then it's
She
like,
thinks it's sweet.
Boom. What?
Julie thinks it's sweet.
She thinks it's sweet.
Really?
It's not unsweet.
You think it's like
Pineapple juice, orange juice.
no, it's good. I expected it to be like I think I thought it was gonna be more passion fruit like taste to it.
Is there pineapple in there?
There it is.
Yeah.
No, you just can't.
It's tropical all up in this bitch. It's got all the things. Plus, we use this Plantation's Original Dark, which is yummy as fuck. We have we went to Cuba and got ourselves a bottle of the Havana.
Of course.
So you got to have that. Then you got your Lemon Heart from Guyana. It's got all the places. It's got all the flavors. It's
I mean, we're
It's
all
Tiki.
over the Caribbean.
and this is we Caribbean the shit out of this thing.
Ooh,
So
I'm in.
again, if you make this in the Jet Pilot, you're getting a lot of work on your hands.
You do, but it'll be good.
Right.
It's tasty.
That's how Tiki beat. That's it. Go get yourself Bartender Starter Kit at houseofdrinks.com. Link in the description. And there's some videos over there probably that have to do with things that are Tiki like because that only makes sense. We'll teach you how to drink.